Hi, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to troubleshoot linked spreadsheets. So in this one, this is linked up to another one. I'll hit update here when I open it, and it comes up with an error message. We can't update some of the links in your worksheet right now. Continue. So for some reason this isn't able to update. I can troubleshoot by going into Explorer and following that path. Go to Spreadsheets, Fish, but there's no master data after that. Well, that's because I moved the master data tab over to the other folder rather than the Fish folder. So now it's looking in the wrong path to look up the data. So how to fix that is you go over to the Data tab, click on the Edit Links, and you have a button here that says Change Source. And then it's just a matter of finding the path to the spreadsheet that you want it to link to. So now we can see it has a new source. It's looking in the other folder rather than the Fish folder. Another way to do that is you can, let's just close and reopen it. Update, we get an error message, we know what it is if I know that that folder changed, I can also just go here and let's just grab a whole lot there. I can even take the full path. I copied, and then do a find, replace, but in the replace I'm going to change this Fish to other. And so now it changed all the formulas with that find and replace from Fish to other, so it's looking in the correct file path now to get the information that we want. And we can always open it up, check it, and the 501 was changed to testing. So that's how to troubleshoot broken links. It could be broken for any number of reasons. Maybe somebody changed the name of the file instead of other. It might say other Fish. In that case, when we reopen this, the link's going to not work anymore. And that's because it's looking in Fish instead of Fish or other Fish. I should have saved it, but same concept. But the file path can change. And it's just a matter of changing it in the formula or in the edit links here, or that's just how you do it. So thank you for watching.